If you find that you're being called a fidgeter, someone who can't sit still, our program is really right for you. We take in the people that are considered to be makers or people that like watching YouTube videos about CNC technology, fabrication, and all sorts of metal and plastics work. We are an all-encompassing force for that. AMT, or Advanced Manufacturing Technologies, is unique in this region. Not only do you get backgrounds in machining and fabrication technologies such as 3D printing, but you'll get background in CAD, PLCs, which are programmable logic controllers, and a background in electronics and problem solving. Upon completion, you would have your 2-year certificate for the program, your 2-year degree, and then on top of that, you would be eligible to sit for certain different certifications. Autodesk Fusion 360, ASME, which is the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. There's several different certifications within them, and an Apple Rubber certification for gaskets and O-rings. So over the 2 years you're with us, what we're actually going to do is we're going to analyze you and where your interests lie. So if you're someone who sides more on the electronic side of things, then what we'll do is we'll try and place you in a place with more automation and equipment that based around that. If you're someone who wants to be more of a machinist, then we'll help you get in a job like at Lockheed Martin in their machining side of things. So it really depends on what your interests lie. We've even had students go out and work at Steamtown National Historic Park restoring trains.